Hi, my name is Kate from Vevox, and today I'm going to show you how to answer all of your unanswered questions from a session's Q&A via email. So you can see that I'm currently logged into my dashboard and I'm in my Q&A at the moment, so you can see that I have quite a few questions in here that are unanswered, a couple that are answered. So what I want to do is I just want to go to my data along the side here, and then I just want to download my data reports. And then once that's downloaded, if you just open that up, it will open in an Excel spreadsheet, and you'll just need to enable editing and then navigate to the Q&A, which is the last tab along the bottom. So you can see now that we're in here, we've got everything that has happened on your Q&A board. So you've got your host announcements and your host replies. They will all be in bold, so you can easily differentiate those. And you've also got the questions from your participants. If you have participant identification on, you will also have the first and last name of the person that had asked the question, but you can see in my session I've done it anonymously. So what you want to do to begin with is probably just delete your host announcements if you published any. And then as well as that, you've also got your replies. So it is up to you, of course, if you want to send your questions with the replies that they already have as well, or if you just want to send your unanswered questions and add the replies to those in your email. I'm going to delete mine. So what I'm going to do is just highlight the row that has my answer in, and the question that pertains to is the one just above it. So I'm just going to highlight those, right click, and if I can find it, I'm going to delete and shift myself up. And then the same I will do for this one here as well. So you can see with that now that I am just left with my unanswered questions from my session. So from that, I'm just going to highlight those, right click and copy, and then just open up a new email. And then I can send that to either my colleagues or my class, and I can just paste the unanswered questions in there, and I can then just answer the questions underneath. Perhaps I want to do it in bold or in red font or something like that, just to differentiate the answer, but obviously that's entirely personal preference how you'd like to do it at this point. What you could also do is copy and paste the unanswered questions into a Word document and then attach that to the email however you would like. So that is how you do that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.